What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at GameStop stock. Guys, this thing is suddenly ripping up. What's going on? Is this time to play this thing back up again to those massive moves that it was doing back in what, 2020, 2021, right? Is this thing going up? What is the even reason like this thing is spiking up today? Well, so we'll talk about all of that in this video. Before I let you know, none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. So what we have is Roaring Kitty rides again. Gamification maybe back in GameStop meme stock rally. So what happened? So let's go over here. GameStop shares are up 67.5% Monday following the return of influential investor and analyst Keith Gill, also known as Roaring Kitty, to social media. Gill made his first post in 3 years on X, formerly known as Twitter, on Sunday, and followed up that cryptic post with a series of posts on Monday. Well, he posted things. So people are like, oh yeah, he's back. He's back. So let's shoot it up. All right. Well, let's go over the technicals now and let's figure out what are the possibilities we can be looking at. So one thing I want to check real quick, guys, is, let's move my indicator timeline a little bit further back so that we can have access to other levels as well. All right. Don't get too much worried about these levels. This is right now just a momentum meme stock here. So what to trade with it, how to trade it, right? First of all. Now, wait, one more thing I want to do it just here, guys, real quick. The volatility, yep, this looks good. All right, so is this going to continue higher? This is completely a momentum stock, meme stock, volume came strong. How to trade this thing? Well, the trade is, daily interval is bullish, period. Like this thing shot up. And you can see already that momentum was building on this from last couple of days. Even the Roaring Kitty wasn't there from last couple of days. But you can see that momentum was building and he was like a final straw and things just shoot up, right? But let's go to the hourly interval and let's talk about, things may not look very clear in one more thing. I gotta adjust here real quick, guys. Sorry about that. Just gonna set a few things on my indicator. All right, so we will have to go to the 5 minutes, guys, to talk about how to trade this thing. This being a meme stock, you can see today it was hit so many times that circuit breaker, because it was going up like 10% above that, really strong. So that's where these circuit breakers are hit. Went as high as $38 almost. Now, how to trade it, guys? So what you are watching is the level of $26.57. Most likely it will stay above that. Above that, it's still bullish. Even right now, it is bullish. And now I can turn on some of these levels to see where we are. And just give me a second, guys. Let's go. Yeah, that's good. All right. So here's the thing. Yeah, technically it's still bullish, and tomorrow, as if we break above $32.64, it's an upside play. This is the range of consolidation you are playing with. Anything above $27 or $26 is any pullback on this is a buy, as long as we hold above that. Technically, it's a bullish game, and you can just follow this structure as long as it's above 200 hours moving average as well. 200 moving average, and yeah, this is bullish. If anytime we lose 27 below, then it's a problem. Otherwise, above that, just an upside play. So that's the thing. That's a small update, nothing complicated, nothing more than that. Not a rocket science here on this one. And that's pretty much it for this video. Go and enjoy GameStop, guys. But remember, have a stop loss regardless. If this thing loses, these things, like if it loses $27, this is a loss of a strong level, then this thing is gonna try to come down as well. So you have to have a stop loss on this. But yeah, go and have fun, enjoy. Or well, before that as well, another thing is, if you are interested in joining my new channel, follow the journey along of my dividend investing portfolio that I'll be building. I'll be posting all the updates here. So just subscribe to this channel as well if you're interested. All right. With that, guys, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.